The information in this video is not legal advice and is for educational and entertainment purposes. If you wish to seek legal advice, consult with a lawful attorney. Law, the A.B.A. Perspective Introduction.
Hello and welcome to the video series where I'm going to be going over the American Bar Association, or A.B.A.'s perspective of the law and what they do in court, so it's not so confusing to you. So let's go into their main page right here. And what is the American Bar Association? Well, for starters, it's an organization, and you can tell this by the .org at the end of their website. Now, for those who need further proof, as I fully believe in providing evidence in the matter, what does .org mean? Well, .org is a definition for a top-level domain for non-profit organizations. Now, if they were related to the government, they would have a .gov at the end of their website. So let's go back to the website. And to further actually support this, they are an accredited business by the Better Business Bureau, which is something I don't believe a government would necessarily need. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. So let's go into the American Bar Association in more detail. So American Bar Association is like a little club then, which has membership applied. Now, those who are the members are people who graduate from law school, and they have a bunch of dues to pay, as you can see right here, dues, and they get a bunch of benefits and all this stuff for joining their club. Now, this is not to be confused with a license to practice law, and I'll be getting into that into some other video in another series. So anyway, let's first focus on what's important on this website to gain their perspective of what's going on. So we'll go to the bottom, and here it says public education, and there are a bunch of different topics on this page, like how the court works and whatnot, but primarily we want to know definitions as well, because we can't understand what they're telling us if it's not in plain English, because what they say in court is not actually English. It's called legalese, and that's English redefined to mean certain terms and other definitions are redefined in a sense to make it kind of confusing for you in court. So to prove this, for example, let's go to A.B.A. groups, and then we'll go to divisions, and we're going to go to public education right here, so the internal division of public education, and there will be a resources section, which is right here, and then we go to law-related education network. Alright, so that would be right here. And at the bottom, if you scroll all the way down, we have a glossary of related law terms. So, for example, just to show you that I'm not just spewing stuff out of my rear end, you would think that an appearance would be you just simply showing up or something like that, right? Well, no, not to them. Actually, appearance to them would mean, for example, the formal proceeding by which a defendant submits himself or herself to the jurisdiction of the court. Whoa, now, so you just appearing in court, by their definition, means that you're submitting to their jurisdiction. And these are tricks that they use on you in court. But, again, that's for a later video. This is just introductory. So isn't that interesting, though? So in further videos, we're going to be going over their perspective, and then I'm going to follow up with another series on how to get around their perspective, because I believe it's completely fraudulent. Anyway, I'll be catching you in the next video. See you then.